door.
You want to shut the box?
Yeah. A door. A door.
Box.
Wait a minute.
And you say Valentine?
I see.
Cheese?
I see. I see.
Can you say win?
Yeah.
How do you say win?
Wait.
Very good.
A door.
Now say Valentine.
Can you say Valentine? Nope.
Cheese.
Can you say Schlosser?
Shut. Shut. Out.
Sorry. You want to shut?
Yeah.
Calling off Mommy's left. Or what there's left.
I
Yep.
Yup.
Yep.
I have. Cheese.
Can you say baby?
Baby.
Are you a baby or a big boy?
A boy.
A boy.
Shut. A boy.
You know what's in Mommy's tummy? Can you say baby?